The beginning, moving toward the land. Our practice, Studio IMKM, did not begin with a master plan. It began with a question. After many years of working in architecture offices in New York, we began to feel increasingly interested in what lies beyond the building footprint, beyond the property line. We were interested in understanding how architecture could engage with its environment rather than simply occupy space. We were drawn to the idea that design could operate as a tool for stewardship. This curiosity eventually led us to a coastal region of Panama, an extraordinary landscape overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The beauty of the site was evident, but so were the many challenges. Years of cattle ranching had compacted soils, cleared native forests, and reduced biodiversity. The rainwater runoff was carrying sediment towards fragile marine ecosystems. Native vegetation had been diminished. It became immediately clear that before we could design buildings, we needed to understand the land. We began to walk the property. We observed how water moved after a heavy rain. We studied prevailing wind patterns. We learned which trees were native to the region and which had disappeared. We spoke with local residents about how the land had changed over decades. That process shifted our understanding of architecture. We began to see design not as an imposition of form, but as a participation in a living system.